Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix 403 or 403 forbidden error and Feedly. So that error and Feedly usually means your device or account doesn't have permission to access a feed or a server. So this can happen for web, mobile, or specific feeds. Okay, so actually guys, first you will need to check the feed URL. So if it's a specific feed, of course, so just open the feed and a browser, right? And if it's gives 403, the source is blocking Feedly access. Okay, so you will need to use a different feed a source and contact the website's owner if it's your own feed. Okay, so these are the feeds. Let's say a feed doesn't work. So what I want you to do is to use a different feed source. So if you're, for example, going with GIZ Modo, go with another one. Okay, or just contact the website's owner, right? And also I do really advise you clear the browser cache and cookies. So for web users, or if you're using a Feedly on the website or on a browser, you will need to go and tap or click on the three dots at the top right, then just scroll to the settings, navigate to it and click it, and then go with privacy and security, the option that's located at the left hand menu, third one, and then go with privacy and security section, the first option, click it and go with delete data. Okay, also guys, if you're using a VPN, proxy, or firewall, you will need to disable them and try again, because they may appear suspicious to servers. Okay, so many servers block traffic from unknown IPs. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.